Vikram! Vikram!
Hi guys, this is Vikram and hope you guys are doing good, and in this video we are gonna create this super lit intro as you have seen in the preview. So without any further ado, let's get started. As usual, starting off with the kinemaster. Open kinemaster and create a new project in a 16:9 aspect ratio. Starting off, you need to import this stock image first and extend its duration to 8 seconds approx. And now you can start importing the alphabets one by one. I have provided a link in the description box where you can find this pack. It contains A to Z alphabets so that you can create your intro as per your wish. For the sake of this illustration purpose, I am going to use Danny as example, where I need D, A, N, I alphabets. So I imported the D alphabet and I am going to change its blending mode to screen. So now you can see it's perfect. Now I am going to resize it and move it to the left hand side. Now you need to do this for each and every alphabet you are going to import. After you finish placing all the alphabets, now it's time to add the music. I have provided a link in the description box where you can find the music that I have used in the preview. Last but not least, before exporting the video, you need to change two settings. Now go to the settings menu and go to the audio and turn on the audio fade in and audio fade out and change its duration to 0.25 seconds. And now go to video and turn on these both and change the duration to 0.25 seconds. This will make the video fade in and fade out, audio fade in and fade out. Now you can export it. If you find this video helpful, then give me a thumbs up and I'll catch you guys in my next one.
All of you to stop what you're doing and listen.